Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name's Gregory Nelson, product specialist down here at Berge Volkswagen. And today we're going to be doing a quick how-to video. I wanted to make sure to show everyone how to check the oil level on their new Volkswagen. So we do have a couple different ways on how to do it depending on your year and model. The first way is going to be your standard dipstick located underneath the hood in the engine bay. But some of the newer Volkswagens, like this 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan behind me, you're actually gonna check your oil level through the infotainment and touchscreen. So I just wanted to do a quick video, make sure to show you guys how to do that so everyone knows how to check their oil level.
Step 1. Pop the hood and find the oil dipstick, usually a bright handle. Step 2. Pull it out, wipe it clean, then slide it all the way back in. Step 3. Pull it out again and check the level. Your oil should be between the min and max marks. If it's low, top off with the correct oil a little at a time, then recheck. Step 4. Push the dipstick back in, close the hood, and you're good.
Thank you so much. And I hope one day we get to see you down here in the dealership so I can show you guys how to do all of this in person.